This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to be talking about two popular sizes of large decorator tips. The number 125, which is a petal tip, and the number 366, which is a leaf tip, right? So these two tips are a great way to make some flower cupcakes, which is what we're going to do right now. So the petal tips are, as their name suggests, used for making petals. And in this case, we're going to make a large, oversized rose right on top of our cupcake. I'm going to build up a little mound of frosting. Start out by making a center, and then just keep piping my petals. And because this tip is such a nice large size, it is great for covering the top of a cupcake. I usually leave a little room off to one side, and it's a great place to stick in a couple of leaves for a nice pop of contrasting color. It's an easy project that's a great high impact design, and it's only two tips to make a beautiful array of lovely roses. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about cake decorating, the materials and equipment we use, please check us out on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School.